Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Western Wardrobe. Dear friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying the best condition of health. Introducing our newest collection of high heel sandals are sure to make a statement, step out in style and comfort with our high heel sandals. The straps warp delicately around your feet providing a secure fit while showcasing your beautiful pedicure. Choose from a variety of colors and styles from classic black to bold and colorful prints. Whether you are dressing up for a night out or adding a touch of elegance to your everyday attire, our high heel sandals are sure to make a statement. Step out in style and comfort with our high heel sandals. Dear viewers, if you wanted to buy these designs online, then I will tell you the best three websites from where you can buy them online: Amazon.com, eBay.com, and AliExpress.com. Dear viewers, all these designs are very beautiful and stylish. Dear viewers, if you like this video, then tell me in the comment section that how was the video and how was the design. Okay, goodbye friends. Till the next video. See you soon with new ideas and new designs. Okay, goodbye friends.